y'all. We came to Zoo America. Look at that. Over there. Hold on. Let's see it. We came to Zoo America. Say hi.
Hey. Having a good time at Hershey Park. It was crowded too. A lot of people on there.
Oh, look. Oh, so cute.
Oh, they waved to me.
Oh, I didn't even hear that. You got some good hearing.
Really?
I didn't hear that.
He jumped out the window. He said, oh, they waved to me.
Oh,
This is a hill.
I know.
Yo, dude. He gonna run over and flip your ass over.
Y'all ain't leaving me here because this is zoo, you understand? Talking about you home now.
You are home. So you meet your family.
I'm excited.
Meet your family.
I'll put in there. Oh, that ride crazy. Oh, wow.
That's a luxury. OMG.
That Hershey one, nah, I gotta pass on that. That one too high. I maybe do the it says kisses.
Feet dangling.
I'll do you gotta try it off slow first. Do the small one.
Small one. Oh, look at that one. That's another person going upside down. Hell no.
Probably this way because it's
Yeah.
a ramp. Yeah. Yeah. It's hot. People like, what the heck? Alright, we'll see y'all when we get inside. Y'all, we in the zoo and it's funky. Oh, the owl. Oh, wow. Look at it. Yo, look at homie. Oh my God, it's so pretty though. What's that? Look. Alligator.
Crocodile over there.
Snapping turtle.
Big.
It's hell. Huge. Right. He look old.
That's a senior citizen turtle.
He like, what you say?
Look.
He like, what, bro?
Probably super old.
You talking about me?
Yup. He like, be going.
You said he was going to go.
Oh my God, that's so funny. Woo. It sure do. Hot. It's so cute out here though. Huh?
You can't see nothing in there.
It is, it's too small.
No, he can't see nothing.
Oh.
In the soda.
He's so sleepy too. Are we gonna see anything swing from trees? What's this called? American Garden?
Where are they?
Probably down there. No, for real.
Yeah, they can't be slippery when they wet.
Ooh, there's water down there.
You go ahead and go on that lake if you want. Sugar maple. It said sugar maple.
What's that hanging off the tree?
Huh?
What's that hanging off the tree? Right there.
Oh, I don't know. glad I got some air in them tires.
Okay. Hey, where you going?
Look, he probably like, I can't see nothing. So pretty.
Get out, see? Wait a minute, we're gonna show you. Here she is.
She's still strapped in?
Yeah, so you can see. Take a look. Look, there it is. Going the other way.
I don't know what that means.
What is that?
Here it comes.
Coming back?
The empty.
Over there in the corner.
One over there.
Okay, everybody hearing that. Probably coming around the other side.
I don't know where she went.
Average little bear is 9 feet tall. Brown bear is 7 feet.
Stand away from her.
Okay. Black birds. Look like turkeys in my opinion. Right. What's they called? Vultures?
See the beards? The
Can't fit there.
big old birds. Very ugly. Horrible looking thing.
Average black bear feet. Polar bear. Good God. Aren't you 6 foot?
Yeah. There's that one is
A brown bear.
that one's 7. Go
Let's-
stand up on the wall by the bear. I'll be dead.
I'll be dead.
Let me see.
Compared to a polar bear, let me see.
I saw it.
Oh my God, I'll be dead.
Let's see.
Sit on your chin.
I know.
Oh, this is baby. No, I'm sorry. No, it's right there. How big I am? The bear. I'm taller than you.
Yeah, you
No.
wish.
Not even close. Not even close, love. What is else did you see?
Yeah,
I was about to say, look, it's a real deer, but I think that's fake.
What is that there?
It looked like a deer.
That land there, ain't it?
It ain't real because it ain't blinking.
it's just sitting there, ain't doing nothing. If it is, it's a steady ass deer.
Right.
The head
Can y'all see it?
ain't doing nothing. It's moving.
No, that's definitely not real. It's not moving.
No, it ain't moved since we been standing there looking at it.
Eyes didn't blink or nothing.
Alive, the deer just moved.
Oh,
It's real. The deer just did like this.
The bears are in here, Lila. Yeah.
the bear?
Ain't no bears in there.
No bears?
No.
Yeah, on the wall.
Why y'all just ruin that girl's
They're still bears.
Take a picture, bears.
Yeah, right? They're still bears.
Lovely stuff.
Black bears.
Black bears in water. How's that hanging on that tree?
I don't know. It say black bears over here.
Oh, God.
Is there really one in there?
Things in the tree.
Oh yeah, nah, those are real. That's a real bear.
There you go.
That's a real
See him,
bear.
Shanny?
Yeah.
The black bear.
So pretty. He is huge. I wonder if it's just one.
There's a baby. There's a bigger dad. There's a baby dad.
Oh look. We got those at home. Regular ass ducks. Regular ducks that we got at home.
Yeah, right. You see them every day.
Right.
Chilling. Went to that water, nice and cool.
See what they have over here. Black tail prairie dog.
I know, right?
I thought it was going to be.
It's always like that when you're walking though.
A lot of holes in the ground.
Prairie dogs.
Nobody popping up. Oh, there's
There
a
go
one right
one.
there.
Where?
Right there,
Oh wow.
Two of them. Three
Oh,
of
they're
'em.
so small and cute.
They eating something.
Uh-huh.
Look like little groundhog. Look at that. That one, they just going to town chewing.